everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. So today I thought I'd organise all of my vinyls that I own. You guys seem to love me cleaning all of my DVDs, so I thought I'd bring, more organising videos to this channel. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Enjoy. Angle. I think I've got my head cut off slightly. I think that's possibly a little bit better. I can see in the viewfinder that it looks quite good. I'm not in focus though, I don't think. There we go. So this is where all my vinyl basically lives. If you've seen my vinyl collection that I did a couple of months ago, I think it was 10 months ago now, you would have seen most of these records. Obviously my collection has grown a lot since then. I literally have so many records, it's crazy. So I'm going to start off with these ones right here. I'm just going to quickly angle you down here. Just quickly, 1 second. There we go. So yes, my head is cut off, so I have to go like this. Hello, I am here. So okay, so we've got these two right here. An Ariana Grande album. Love this album. This is my everything. I got this, was it from HMV? I think it was from HMV. I got that one from, I'm pretty sure, Sweetener. I know this is in a sleeve that's not great. I can't think what they're called. What are they called? PV? I can't think of the name of them. Like, the sleeves aren't that great, but these ones. So yeah, I know it's not the best for it, but I've had no problems with it. So PVC sleeve, I think that's what they're called. This is Sweetener. Great album, possibly my favourite Ariana Grande album. And then here's some more, her latest album. Dua Lipa, who I love so much. This album, which I bought recently, which will be in a video at some point. Benson Boone, what's this called? American Heart. This pressing is gorgeous, like look at that. So pretty, I love it so much. I'm going to play that a little bit later on, which is why I've got that on top of the record player. Got Bruno Mars in here, so many different like records and albums in here. Pretty much all my Ariana Grande albums are all together, they're just not really in any sort of order. And I've got all these ones as well, literally tons of them. That's a recent buy. So is this, actually this is Imagine Dragons, what's this, Loon. Really great album, absolutely love it. I'm just going to tilt up slightly, hang on. There we go. So you can see my head at least. So that's that. There will be a vlog going up at some point. I don't know if it'll be this week or next week, but keep your eye out for that. Keep your eyes peeled for that even. I love this pressing. It's like an orange pressing. It's just so beautiful. What's this called? The apricot vinyl pressing. I got this like half price in HMV. Got some Olivia Rodrigo in here, who was amazing at Glastonbury. Bloody hell, it was incredible. And then here's all my others. So I've got all my Little Mix vinyls in here. I've got tons of them. So I'll just put these right there. I Wish, Get Weird and Salute and DNA would get released to vinyl, but they haven't pressed them and it frustrates me so much. I'm like, I need them. I need them in my collection because it will complete my Little Mix vinyl collection. It's really annoying. Anyway, we've got The Script, one of my favourite bands. This is a standard black pressing. Absolutely love this album, so good. Then we have, what's this one? Tales of the Script, Greatest Hits. And then, oh, their latest album that came out last year, which I play so much. Then we've got some Taylor Swift in here. I only own 3 Taylor Swift records because I only like 3 of her albums, if I'm being completely honest. And yeah, I think Lover is possibly my favourite Taylor Swift album. We've got Folklore, which I absolutely love. Incredible album, so good. Usually not my type of music, but I absolutely love it. Some Harry Styles in here. What else is in here? We've got more Harry's House. I've got so many vinyls, it's just crazy. We've got some Teddy Swims in here as well, which is really, really cool. And then the last vinyl on the shelf is Sabrina Carpenter's Short and Sweet. This is the blue press, I say the standard pressing, isn't it? This isn't closed very well. I should probably put this in a gatefold, but love this album, so good. So I'm going to tilt you down as I organise these and obviously put them back on the shelf. So I hope this angle is okay. You can see the records quite well. I know you can't like see me. Hello, I am here. So okay, how am I going to organise these? I don't really organise these in obviously like alphabetical order or anything like that, but I could do that. I mean, I have my DVDs basically in like alphabetical order. That's how I store them and things. So with vinyls, I don't do that. I just do it from the oldest album to the latest album. That's how I like to do it. So there you go. I think I'll start off, I don't know who to start off with. I'm going to start off with this album. So right here, this is the Barbie, the album, which my mum got actually, it's actually hers, but I mean, great soundtrack, absolutely love it. And obviously Dua Lipa does a song in Barbie which is called Dance the Night, so absolutely love that. I mean, I love this movie, I think it's so funny, and it's just a really beautiful vinyl as well, so I'll probably put that right there. I think that was there originally actually, so that's good. Okay, I'm going to tilt you down again. Hello. Let me just do that. There we go. I don't know if you can pretty much see the records quite well. That's okay. I've got all my little mix vinyls together. I do have to put them next to Barbie though. I kind of want to do this not really in alphabetical order, but we've got Sabrina Carpenter's Short and Sweet. I'm going to keep that in the same spot it was originally, so yeah. Okay, we'll just move all these, and I'm just going to tilt you this way because you won't be able to see me put them back on the shelf, so oh, you won't be able to see me. There we go. I'm planning on watching a movie later as well, which will be Paul. Haven't seen it, but I'm really excited to watch it. Okay, I might put my Taylor Swift records here. They weren't originally here, but I kind of want them to be here, so I'm going to put them right there. So I just do it from the oldest album to the newest album. As I said, that's how I organise my vinyls. I know everyone does it differently, but that's just how I do it. Am I in focus? Yes, I am. Okay. I'm looking at my viewfinder, so this is what I'm doing. Okay. I think next up we'll go with Miss Ariana Grande herself. So I think they're in this pile. I've got like little piles down here of vinyls and things. Okay, so this is her debut album. So obviously I'll put that first. Should I put that next to Taylor? I might put Ari here and then Taylor there, I think. So, and then my everything. Oh my god, there's one song on here that makes me cry. It is called My Everything. Oh my god, that song is the most beautiful song ever. Oh, it's just so cute. Okay, so just put that right there. And then Sweetener, obviously. I wish I got the peach version of this album, but I mean, to be honest, at least I have. This is my first record actually I ever bought, so oh, like memories of buying this. I say buying this, I got this from Amazon, but my first ever record, Ariana Grande's Sweetness, so I'm very happy with that. Obviously the peach pressing of this is very expensive, so that's why I didn't buy it, but yeah, like, oh, love that album. And then Eternal Sunshine, as I said. I need to play this record a lot more because I absolutely love this album. I think I played this twice, so I definitely need to listen to this a little bit more because it is a great album. One of the sleeves is ripping. It's only a little bit at the corner there, but yeah, I mean, gorgeous pressing. This is a red pressing. If I just quickly show you, look at that, just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, I'll just put this back on the shelf there. Okay, ooh, I also need to do a thumbnail as well after this, so I'll probably get them all out again, which will be fun. Okay, so that's Ariana Grande and Taylor Swift together. Okay, next up I'll probably do Little Mix in the next shelf. So here they all are. So these are in order as well, I think. Glory Days, beautiful pressing. One of my favourite pressings I own. Absolutely love it. I'm going to keep those right there. Then we've got, oh, LM5. Oh, gonna fall everywhere. And then obviously confetti. I wish I got the splatter pressing of this, but as long as I have it, I'm not too bothered. And then Little Mix Between Us, which I do own another copy of, but it's sealed. So yeah, it's for display purposes only. That one I actually play, so that's good. Okay, we've got Harry Styles right here. So I'm going to put him, I think, next to Little Mix. I think that'll be quite good. I might put Sabrina right there. Okay, then we have Imagine Dragons. Where should I put this one? I'm going to put it just next to Taylor there, because why not? Okay, God, I have so many. I have to like squish them all in, which isn't good. We've got Teddy, as I said. I mean, this pressing is gorgeous. So beautiful. Okay, I'll put that next to Sabrina, I think, right there. I think that looks quite good. And then we've obviously got the script, and yeah, just absolutely love them. Okay, so we'll start off with this one. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, I can't get these in now. See, I have too many, but I love them. I can't help it. This is a really nice pressing as well. So the green pressing, which I absolutely love. It's gorgeous and it has all the great hits on it. And then the other vinyl I've just sleeved in there. So there we go. Okay, let's put this back. Oh jeez, right there. Okay, I should probably change this sleeve to my Sweetener record at some point. Okay, Maroon 5, which I have hauled in a video. Great album. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that just next to the script right there. And then obviously got Olivia and Sanded Black pressings of both her albums. Okay, I kind of want Olivia next to the script, I think. Oh, God, I can't get these in. This is like so hard. Oh God. Okay, we did it. Okay, Bruno Mars. I can probably put, God, there we go. Put it there. We've still got room. Dua Lipa. Where should I put Dua Lipa? I might put her just there next to Imagine Dragons. This is very tight now. Oh God, that's come out. That's not good. Oh no. No, 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 no. No. Oh God, this is a disaster. That's not good. That's terrible. Okay, and then the script. The latest album. Okay, that's pretty much. I think that's the way I like. I think that looks good. I think I'm happy with that. I think I'm happy with how I've organised all of these. I'm pretty sure. I can't speak properly, but there we go. This is what they look like right now. Looking good, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So thank you so much for watching this video and for clicking on it. I do really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Other places to find me, you can find me on Instagram, Threads, TikTok, all that fun stuff will be linked down below in the description box of this video, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video very soon. Bye!